So I was wondering, what is it about this foundation that people are going like, oh my god, it's so good, oh my god, OMG, it covers so good, oh my god, the coverage is so good, oh, it covers my tattoo, oh my god, it gives me full coverage, oh, you can see the blush, you can see the redness on my face anymore, oh my god, it's so good. So I was like, what is going on? I saw this on Instagram, I saw it on Facebook. I was like, you know what, I'm going to look out for this foundation, I'm going to purchase it, and I'm going to try it and see if it's actually good. Okay, so I end up going online, I Google it, and I purchase it from Amazon. It's even actually after less than $5. Okay, so let's get going and see what I'm talking about.
There comes a time in every man's life.
So this is the foundation that I'll be reviewing today. It's called Fiora. I bought it on Amazon. I don't know why. I bought one shade that I'm thinking that would be my shade, and actually bought one to highlight. I mean foundation to highlight. I don't know if it's going to work, but I'm going to try it anyway. So it's called Fiora. I'll put the name on the screen, and this is how it looks from the bottle. Of course, this is the lighter shade that I bought. Okay, this is the lighter shade, and the other one is the one I thought would be my right shade, which is this one. So as in, I'm not sure if this is my shade though, but I mean, I'm gonna try. I bought it online, and this is the closest that I saw among the shade I feel like will be my shade. So on the packaging, the box, it says coverage foundation, naturally flawless, oil controlling lightweight feel, soft matte long wear liquid foundation. So let's give this bad girl a try and see how it's gonna look. It comes of course with a pump, so I'm gonna go ahead and pump some fuel at the back of my hand. This is what I pumped out. So far it's not bad. The coverage is not bad so far, but I think I'm gonna have to, you know how you have to kind of put a little bit more, because on this part of my face, sometimes ago, like 4 or 5 years ago, I got sunburn when I was in Germany, and I kind of believed that because it was winter time I don't need to use sunscreen. So I went to pick up my kids from school, and because the school is not that far away from where I live, I didn't I walked down to the place, and at night I kind of realized that I already got sunburn. I've been treating it since then, but I've been unable to get rid of, as in it's fading out, but like it's taking forever. So that part of this side of my face actually need more coverage, so I applied more foundation on it. That's the only reason, but it actually covered it though, because I can like barely see it. So the coverage is not bad. So I'm going to try a brush on this side and see which one will work better. So I'm using Real Technique staple brush. I'm just going to go ahead and staple round and see which one I like best, either with the brush or with the beauty blender. So by the way, before I move on with the rest of my face, I'm going to highlight and contour, or I'm going to highlight on the camera, but I'll contour and do the rest of my face off the camera in order not to prolong this video. Okay, remember I said I bought 2 foundation. One is my shade and the other one is 2 shade lighter than mine. The reason why I bought that is to highlight with it. So this is what I'll be using to highlight, and I'm just going to go ahead and put them at my, the desired place to highlight, okay, or those places that we usually highlight. Okay, you guys know what I mean. So I'm gonna be right back. Oh my god, honestly it's not bad as an highlighter, so not at all. So easy to blend, so, and it gives me good coverage too around there. And this is it. I'll be right back and finish up, then I will show you the rest of the look. So I'm gonna be right back. Baby girl, so guys, this is the concluding part of this video. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this foundation is really awesome. You all can tell this is not sponsored, and you know my channel is just small, so it's not sponsored. Nobody paid me to do this. I was just curious, okay, out of my curiosity, that is what I went ahead and bought this foundation. Because when I saw the raving here and there, I said, okay, let me see what they are raving about. So I went ahead and purchased this foundation. I really like how it looks. I like the coverage. It actually has good coverage. It's matte finishing. What do you all think? Please let me know what you think down below. Please give me comments, like and share, and do please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, if this is your first time, okay, coming across my channel. Please subscribe and turn on your notification bell as well in order for you to know whenever I upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.